Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TROG token. Now TROG, T-R-O-G, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. It is short for Trump Frog, and this token is doing very well. It's up 40% right now, huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume, and they are trending number 3 right now on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section. We're going to go over the information on the TROG token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I said it was trending number 3 on Dex Screener, but I just checked Dex Tools, and it's trending number 1 on Dex Tools. So very popular token today. According to Dex Screener, they're up about 50% right now. They have a market cap of $18 million, which is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $705,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dex Screener, 99.72% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now they have a 24-hour trading volume of $19.4 million, so doing very well today. This pair was actually just created too on Uniswap 1 day, 15 hours ago. So very brand new token here. They have a Telegram you could follow at Trog_coin. 883 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. That's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen here as usual, at Trog_ERC. Trog, the Trump Frog, 74 tweets so far. Their webpage and Telegram are linked there. Webpage is trog-coin.com. 6,791 Twitter followers. It says 50% supply to at Real Donald Trump. And then they have a meme here. It says, know your meme. You can check out that page. It's kind of like a wiki page of where the Trog, the Trump Frog, comes from. And you can check that out as well. Of course, if you scroll through their Twitter, you are going to find a lot of Trump Frog memes. There is an insane amount. Everything under the sun you could think of Trump hanging out with a frog, or, you know, you name it. But crazy memes on there. So there is some quick audits. There's a Go Plus security audit, quick intel, and token sniffer audit on Dex Screener and Dex Tools. We're going to go over all that in a second here, see if there's any warnings on there. It's a fairly new token too, so new tokens can kind of be sketchy. You never know what's going to happen, so it's a great idea to check over these audits. So contract is on the page. So their webpage, trog-coin.com, has the contract if you're looking for it. But basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for the TROG token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll have a look at that in a second. It'll tell us on Dex Tools. There is a buy button in the top right-hand corner of their webpage that will take you directly to Uniswap. Now, if you want to fund your wallet with ETH, you probably have to fund it through a central exchange. There is a list of them in the description box, so check those out. Now it says, welcome to the wacky wild world of Trog, the Trump Frog, the meme coin that's here to make crypto great again, of course. Born from the legendary internet culture and inspired by the one and only Donald Trump, Trog combines the hilarity of memes with the revolutionary spirit of cryptocurrency. Picture this: a dapper frog sporting a suit and tie, coiffed hairdo, and the unmistakable look of determination and maybe just a hint of mischief. That's Trog for you, the amphibian icon of financial freedom. Our mission is simple: to leap into the crypto space with a splash and deliver riveting returns to the community. Trog isn't just a coin, it's a movement, a green wave of fun, financial potential, and of course, a good dose of meme magic. So it says contract renounced, LP burnt, zero tax, total supply 420,690,000,000 tokens. It says, combining the meme-worthy charm of the frog with the unmistakable flair of Trump, it's the crossover you never knew you needed. Just like any great meme, Trog thrives on the support and creativity of its community. Your voice shapes the journey. At the bottom of their webpage, they have a link to CoinMarketCap, Twitter, Telegram, and a contact email in case you need to get in touch. Now, if we go over to DEX Tools, it says here they have 3,310 holders so far, doing pretty well. Now, you can also find the contract address on these listing sites as well if you're looking for it. They have 90.92 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 8.47 billion pooled Trog tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 123 votes. They have here a on-chain market cap, $16.1 million, 9 decimal places on this token. It says token is up 25.1% according to their Etherscan. So they do have some quick audits. Now on DEX Tools, they have a quick Intel, GoPlus, and honeypot.is security audit. It does say no taxes, no honeypot, contract verified, no proxy contract. There is some warnings though. This is a weird warning that sometimes pops up. It's a conflicting audit. So GoPlus Security says there is anti-whale warning, and Quick Intel Security says there isn't. And then Quick Intel Security also says there is other risks, which who knows what that is. So just be aware their audits are not perfect. Also on DEX Screener, there's a conflict. Quick Intel Security says no blacklist, no whitelist, but then GoPlus Security says there is a blacklist and whitelist. And then they also got 80 out of 100 on their token sniffer score. So just be aware, there is warnings on their audits. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Trog? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.